If you're trying to pass your Topstep 50K combine and you're sick of failing at 90% progress or blowing the account after one bad day of trading, this video is going to shift the way you trade forever. I've passed multiple Topstep combines, including the 50K, sometimes in just 2 trades. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step of exactly how I did it. No fluff, no cap. This is the blueprint I use every time. Let me keep it real with you for a second. If you've been trying to pass the Topstep 50K combine and you keep getting close, 80%, 90%, end up blowing it all in one stupid moment. I've been there, and I know that feeling like it was yesterday. You're staring at a screen, frozen, stuck wondering what happened. You feel like you're doing everything right, but yet you're stuck in the same loop. Head, slip up, reset, repeat. But here's what nobody tells you. Topstep isn't just about a test of skill, it's about a test of control. And most traders are walking around with A+ talent, but no structure. And that's why you keep losing at 90%. And that's why your best trades can never make up for your worst days. You're treating your combine like a game instead of what it really is, a job interview. You're watching every move you make every second. And through this process, they answer, can this trader follow the rules under pressure? And inside my community and just outside, these are the common mistakes I see daily. You're over trading. You said 2 trades max, but you ended up taking 6 because you saw something that looks good. And that voice is greed, not edge. Second, you're ignoring your loss limit. Topstep has one major rule. Don't lose more than 2,000. And you lose 800, get mad, and try to make it all back in one trade. Then boom, combine blown. Next, you keep revenge trading. One loss turns into 3, one red day turns into a red week. Now you're right back to the dashboard, hitting that reset combine button. Overall, you don't really have a system. You're just trading whatever looks good in the moment. You're hoping it all works out. But bro, hope is not a plan. And overall, here's what that creates. That constant cycle of almost making it, then you end up blowing it up. Exhausting, and over time it kills your confidence. And worse, the voices in your head start to say, maybe you're just not cut out for this. But let me tell you, that's a lie. Trust me, you're cut out for this. But only if you start trading like someone who belongs at the funded table. And that starts with one thing, structure. Now, like I promised, here's a step-by-step plan I use to pass the 50K combines. First things first, you must understand the rules like a pro. So here's what you're working with on the 50K Topstep combine. First things first, you have a $3,000 profit target with the 50% consistency rule. Meaning, they don't really recommend you make more than $1,500 in one day, or you have to make more over time. The second most important rule, a $2,000 trailing drawdown. Meaning, as soon as you go up and lose $2,000 in that single day, account blown. But here's the game changer. You need to stop thinking, how fast can I make that 3K? And more, how can I protect myself from losing 2K? Now, the trading setup, the golden zone method. This is exactly how I approach the markets. I only trade gold and on the 5 minute with 2 gold contracts. My target, 7.5 points or $1,500, meaning only 2 solid trades day after day, and I can be funded. That's the power of futures. You don't need 30 wins to make something splash. Like I said, all you need is 2 quality setups and some discipline. So if I make $1,500 in one trade, I'm done. But say I end up losing 2 trades in one day, that's also my cap. I'm done. This keeps you protected and consistent. Now you need risk management that helps you win. My system is built on a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. I risk roughly 500 to make 1,500 no matter what. That means 1 win can knock out 2 losses. And that math stacks quick. And like I said, if I lose 2 trades in one day, I'm done. No negotiating. And this is how I'm able to pass my combines in as little as 2 days. This is all possible with a nice daily routine to keep me locked in. Pre-market, I must always check to see if we have any news of the day, and I also see if we have any golden zones ready to be tapped. I mentally lock in. I know 2 trades max a day. If I see 1, I take it, but I'm patient. I remind myself, profits are in patience. And I already know I end my session early if I hit my $1,500 target. And at the end of the week, I review my trades like a business, not emotionally. I don't chase, I don't overthink, and I don't deviate. The process is the edge. Last but not least, stay in the game, even after failing. Here's the truth that not a lot of people will speak on. I don't pass every combine, and I might not pass the first one, but so what? Cool, reset and run it again. The traders who win long term are the ones who bounce back with structure, not shame. Look, I get it. Passing your Topstep combine may be a little hard, especially if you're doing it alone. It's like trying to climb Mount Everest without the right gear or a guide. I know, because I've been there, grinding for hours, watching countless YouTube videos, reading every post on X, looking for tips, only to end up frustrated, overwhelmed, or worse, broke. And that's exactly why I created MTF, our community to give you everything I wish I had when I just started. MTF is built on real, no bullshit mentorship, no fluff, no hype. And I also don't hold your hand unless you put in the work. It's straight up coaching from somebody who's been there and passed the Topstep combines multiple times. And I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to make them real. If you're not already hungry to put in the work, then this is not for you. I also have daily trade checklists and breakdowns. You get direct access to my trade callouts in real time. No secrets, no hidden tricks. Wins and losses. Just my actual trades and my thought process behind them. Because seeing them live actually helps you apply them and understand what's really going on, not just read about it after it's happened. I also have support when you need it most. Trading can be very lonely, and when you're stuck in a losing streak or second guessing every move you're about to make, having a community who's been there makes the biggest difference. Beside MTF, you can meet up at any time to hop on a 1v1 call for whatever you need on the charts. And of course you have the chat with like-minded individuals where you can ask questions at any time. Trust me when I say, you'll never be alone on this. And most importantly, accountability that pushes you forward. Trust me, it's easy to slack off when no one's watching. But in MTF, you have to show your work. Submit your results, get feedback, and grow. And that accountability alone could change your trading trajectory. Here's the kicker. You can try this all today for 7 days free. Trial is your chance to test drive everything. The mentorship, the strategy, the community, without risking a dime. I'm so confident that this group can help you pass your Topstep combine that I want to see your results before you even commit. And on top of all of that, I'm giving you full free access to the Golden Zone Method complete breakdown, exact strategy, and risk rules I use to pass my combines. Designed to be simple, repeatable, and quick for all traders who are struggling to pass their combines consistently. So, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels, cut through the noise, and get funded fast, click the link in the description, join MTF, and let's get to work. Our real talk, trading isn't easy. If it was, everybody would be doing it. Topstep wouldn't be a challenge. But here's the truth that changes everything. It's not about being perfect. It's about having a system that you could trust and that you could repeat over and over, especially when it starts to get tough. I'm not promising you'll get rich overnight. I am promising you that if you follow the plan, stick to the risk rules, and keep learning, you'll start to see progress. You'll start passing those Topstep combines, and you'll start building a real trading career. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels, tired of chasing random advice and burning accounts, and ready to trade like a pro, here's what you do next. The link's in the description. Join MTF and start your 7-day free trial. Get access to everything, and I challenge you that every day for the first week, to hit me with a quick DM and ask me a question. I will hop on live with you and hold your hand step by step, because I just don't want to see me succeed. I want to have people build right beside me to succeed as well. Trust me when I say, I'm here to help. Let's get funded step by step, no guesswork. So, if you got value from this video, subscribe and hit that like button. Also, drop a comment with your biggest struggle on these Topstep combines. I'll see you inside the community. Let's get to work. Peace.